So I changed the USB socket on this about 6 months ago, and it's an Acer ChromeBook, and he said it's not charging anymore. So there was a little bit of tape on his charging cable, and I took that off. It's got a little split in it. I don't think that's a problem. I'll probably put some rubber tape on that afterwards. So let's get that plugged into my USB-C meter. Plug this in. Right. Yeah. It is definitely charging. Let's try that the other way around. And nothing. Okay. So try turn it again. Turn it over. Yep. Charging fine. Right, so some of the pins in the USB-C socket are connected to the motherboard and some aren't. So it looks like I'm going to have to open it up again. These USB-C sockets are so fragile, they just get damaged so easily.